create this effect in Illustrator. First of all, get your type tool and write the letter D out, and then what you want to do is expand that just so it's nice and large on your artboard, and just drag it into the middle like that. And if you right click on it, you can click create outlines, and then click on it again and go into outline mode, and then you want to make sure that smart guide is enabled. Just click view in your menu there, and then by holding alt and shift, I'm going to drag down a copy of my D down until it clicks into place, highlight the first letter and drag it to the right, and then I'm going to highlight everything just like that. And then with the shape builder tool, you can press shift and M to get that. I'm just going to hold alt and delete that little bit on the end. Then without hitting alt, I'm just going to merge these shapes just on the screen there, and I'm just going to do the same thing for these shapes up here, and the same for these down here, just like that. And you should have something that looks like that. And then come out of outline mode, then highlight everything. Then I'm going to go to transform and flip horizontally, and then I'm just going to just going to drag that line in there and that up like that by using the direct selection tool. Then I'm going to highlight everything. Then I'm going to choose one of my sides. Then I'm going to color it. Use my little color picker down there and give each section a slightly different color. Add some shading, and you get an effect like this. Like and follow for more.